Donald Trump's trade advisor Peter Navarro launched a sharp attack on India, accusing New Delhi of fueling Russia's war machine by buying discounted oil. Now, Navarro here claims that Trump's 50% tariffs on Indian imports are justified, arguing that India uses American trade dollars to bankroll Moscow while blocking US exports and profiting from black market oil. But India has hit back, and here at News9 we are fact-checking all of these claims which have been made by Donald Trump's trade advisor. Now, officials in New Delhi call these claims misleading. In fact, and they point out that Russian crude was never sanctioned like Iran or Venezuela. In fact, G7 and EU encouraged India to keep buying oil to prevent a global oil shock. In fact, New Delhi argues that its purchases stabilized prices, prevented a surge to $200 a barrel, and also benefited the West itself. And these claims, you see, US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen and also Ambassador Eric Garcetti both have admitted at different times that India did play a stabilizing role in the oil market. Now, further, the claim made by Navarro, now it also rejects the charge of using American dollars, as New Delhi has stressed that transactions were made in alternate currencies or within global frameworks. Again, a claim fact-checked by Peter Navarro, saying that the transaction made by New Delhi were in US dollars. Well, that was not the case. In fact, far from profiteering, state-run oil companies actually took losses to shield Indian citizens and price hikes. Now on trade, India says that US runs a bigger deficits with China and Europe compared to New Delhi, but still India is at this point which it is bearing the brunt of Donald Trump's tariffs, 50% in fact. So these are all the claims that we see Donald Trump's trade advisor Peter Navarro made against India in regards to New Delhi buying discounted Russian oil. And now all of these claims have been fact-checked.